Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be speaking on H. pylori. Helicobacter pylori is a negative gram spiral bacterium that lives and contaminates the stomach lining of a human being. It contaminates about 50% of the world's population today. It is one of the main causes of gastritis, peptic ulcers, and a risk factor of stomach cancer. It can be transmitted through the following routes. We have oral route, that is between two people, let's say kissing, sharing of saliva, or sharing of utensils. Through facial oral route, that is eating of contaminated items, or let's say by mistakenly eating of sewage or rubbish entering your mouth. You can also have it from contaminated food and water, that is food and water that you don't wash your food very well, or you drink dirty water. You can have it through poor hygiene and sanitation, as you not keep yourself properly clean. It possesses some of the following symptoms and signs, such as you have loss of appetite, upper abdominal pain, that's your upper abdomen is paining, we have bloating, that's stomach tightness, we have belching, we have sometimes it produces no symptoms, and we have indigestion, that's the ability for you not to be able to digest food very well. Some of the preventive measures of H. pylori can be, we have need to keep your environment clean, need to eat healthy and a proper healthy diet, you need to drink clean water. H. pylori can also be treated through some of the following tests. We have the rapid urease test, that is treating the urease enzyme which the H. pylori forms in the stomach. You mix the urease enzyme with biopsy to produce a colored mixture to prove that H. pylori is present in the individual. You have the urea breath test, that is being urea is given to the individual for the individual to drink, and the mixture in the stomach is being belched out by the individual as gas, and the urea machine is used to test for the H. pylori. We have the stool antigen test, which stool is being tested for proteins of the H. pylori present in the stool. And we have the blood antibody test. This blood antibody test is when the H. pylori is being checked in blood samples for any of the contaminated bacterium in the blood. We also have endoscopy biopsy. Endoscopy biopsy is when H. pylori bacteria is being tested with under a microscope to check for any remaining proteins of it in blood samples. H. pylori can be cured through two main treatments. We have the triple therapy and the quadruple therapy. For the triple therapy in H. pylori, we use the proton pump inhibitor, we use calithromycin, we use amoxicillin or metronidazole, and we have the bismuth quadruple therapy. The bismuth quadruple therapy is used for 14 days. In case the H. pylori has gone to a very high level, we use the quadruple therapy, which we use the proton pump inhibitor, we use bismuth, we use tetracycline, and we use metronidazole. Thank you. That is all. It's just as a reminder for us to keep our bodies well clean. Drink a lot of water, because H. pylori is mostly caused when there's lack of water in the human system. That's when the bacteria is formed in the body. Thank you.